Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So I have been getting a lot of messages on LinkedIn to share my interview experience with Walmart Labs. So I thought of preparing one video for that. So let's get started. So let's start. Uh, the interview process started getting a call from recruiter asking about my previous work experience, previous organizations, and after that I had the interview scheduled. So there were around four rounds of interview. Though so the first two were purely technical, the third one is hiring manager, and fourth one is HR manager round. So my preparation was I have prepared mostly on data structures and algorithms, Selenium, Java, TestNG, Maven, Jenkins, REST Assured, CI/CD process, and manual testing questions. And after that, on the interview day, first two rounds were on the same day. The first round started with programming question on Java and the two on strings. The first question was you need to find unique characters from a given string. The string can be in lowercase or uppercase or in the mixed case. So I have written the code for that. After that, I was asked to share my screen with the environment setup for writing the automation code. So they have given me a scenario, and I have written the code for the given scenario, and based on that, they have asked more questions. And the questions also were on Java, conceptual questions, and they have asked Selenium concepts. And regarding REST Assured, they have asked me, they have given API and asked to write the code for that, and also they have asked questions on that code. After that, they have asked me about mobile automation. So it was not in-depth questions; they were like high-level questions. So to check that if you have really worked on that, and also I have highlighted the innovations that I had done in my project previously. They have asked more on that. So once the first round is done, on the same day, I had the second round. It was about 1 hour. The first round was also about 1 hour. In the second round, I was asked on in-depth knowledge on my whatever technologies I had mentioned. That is Selenium, Java, TestNG, Maven, Jenkins, Cucumber, REST Assured, and CI/CD process. So, regarding Java, I was asked questions on OOPS concepts and collections framework. And apart from that, they have asked me which version I have used. They have asked me questions more on Java 1.8 as most of the companies are using, and I have answered most of the questions. They have asked me on Java 1.8 which all concepts you know, and they have asked me to explain that. So I have done that. So after that, they have asked me questions related to Cucumber. So you need to have a in-depth understanding on Cucumber concepts. So I had answered those questions, and most of the questions I have answered. And they have asked about Jenkins, how you'll set up the nightly build, and what is the cron pattern, what is the cron pattern for a specific time. For the given time, whatever they have given, we have to tell the cron pattern. And one suggestion from my side in this round is that be prepared in depth on each and every concept. So they have also asked different test engine annotations and what is the difference between at before suite, at before class, at before test. So you must be clear on the differences. And after that, they have asked me API related questions. They have asked me how do you define a timeout in REST Assured, and other questions related how will you validate a JSON response, and how will you do validate a response from a file. So they really wanted to check if you have really worked or just come for the interview prepared, just preparing. So apart from that, also be prepared on data structures questions, because you may get one or two questions on LinkedIn or Stack or Q. So you must have knowledge on data structures and algorithms as well. In the third round, it was a hiring manager round. So he asked me questions related to my previous project, what all I have done in the previous project, and what is my experience. He explained about Walmart projects, and after that I got an email to share my documents, and then after that, once I shared my documents, I got the offer letter, and finally I have joined. So that's the experience from my end. If you have any questions, you can write it down in the comment section. So I'll be happy to help you. Thank you.